Okay, here we have a wooden wall phone, and a guy came to me and he wanted it made to be hung on the wall, and he wants to use it as a doorbell, not as a phone. So I fixed it up where he could use it as a doorbell, but he can also crank it on the inside of the house to show that the magneto works and the bells work. So anyway, here's the doorbell he's going to mount on the outside, an old wooden wall doorbell, push button. There you go. There's the push button. There it is ringing. Okay, now we're going to crank the magneto, and you can see that, well, you can see that it rings as soon as I figure out how to make it quit moving. There you go. One more time with the doorbell.